Ever wondered why prices fluctuate when you go shopping? It's like a dance between two economic principles, supply and demand. Picture this. It's a sunny day, and you're out shopping for a new electric vehicle, or EV. But surprise, the prices seem to be lower than you expected. That's because of a recent shift in the EV market. According to a Business Insider report from late August 2023, there's been an increase in EV production leading to a surplus. Now there's more supply than demand. To clear out inventory, prices have dropped, creating deals that attract price-conscious customers. So, a surplus in supply leads to a decrease in prices. That's the power of supply and demand at work. Now let's switch gears and imagine you're a restaurant owner. You're struggling to find employees to meet the increased demand for dining out. As CNN reported in May 2021, this is a real issue in the US economy. With fewer workers available, the supply of labor has decreased while demand has gone up. As a result, businesses have started offering incentives like tuition programs to attract employees. In this case, a decrease in supply leads to an increase in demand, and potentially higher wages. These real-world examples illustrate the dance between supply and demand. When supply increases and demand remains the same, prices tend to drop. When supply decreases and demand goes up, prices tend to rise. Remember, these principles don't just apply to shopping or hiring. They're at play in every aspect of our economy, from the delivery services we rely on to the steel industry and even the growth of dollar stores. Understanding supply and demand can help you make informed decisions, whether you're buying a new car, starting a business, or just trying to make sense of the world around you. So, the next time you're out shopping and notice a price change, take a moment to think about the dance between supply and demand. It's a fascinating economic tango happening right in front of your eyes. And that's it, the secret behind those fluctuating prices. Hope you enjoyed this little journey into the world of economics. Always remember, every price tag tells a story of supply and demand. So, come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.